Today we'll discuss about the new course. This is Dr. Rajshekhar Medidi, MSc, MPhil, PhD in Chemistry, Associate Professor, Department of Natural Resource Management, College of Natural Science and Computational Sciences, University of Kabridahar, Somali region, Ethiopia. So this is e-learning. Today we'll discuss about the program MSc, Master of Science, that is Soil Science, course Soil Chemistry. The topic is Outlines of Soil Chemistry, Video 1. So today we'll discuss about the new program that is Master of Science, that is Soil Science. The subject is the course is Soil Chemistry, SOSC 531 code. So now the course contents, we'll discuss in detail about the all the course contents and course outlines and the basics or the summary of the entire course within a short span of time. Very interesting topic and very easy to understand. Course contents: solution and solid chemistry of soils, soil chemical interactions with water, air, plants, that is rhizosphere chemistry, and pollutants and pollutions, chemical equilibrium, thermodynamics, oxidation reduction process, chemical equilibria and soil formation, inorganic solid phase, chemistry of weathering, anion and molecular retention, acid soils, salt affected soils, acid base equilibria, ion activities, exchange and equilibrium reactions, chemistry of soil organic matter, chemistry of nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, manganese, aluminum, and other specific elements, cation exchange capacity, and availability of nutrients to plants, biodegradation of pesticides and pollutants, fate of pesticides in soil. So, from these course outline that is given, it was formulated into 5 chapters. 5 units are there. The first unit will discuss deeply about the unit 1, chemistry of solution and solid phase of soils. That is introduction to soil chemistry, definition, significance of soil chemistry, soil composition. And second point, soil genesis and formation, parent material, ice, wind, water, gravity, topography, climate, biological activity, and time. Point 3, soil chemical process, soil colloids, soil solutions, adsorption and desorption, and soil colloids. In that, general properties of soil colloids, types of soil colloids, sources of charges on soil colloids, permanent charges, pH dependent charges. Second unit, unit 2, factors affecting the soil nutrients. First point, factors, introduction. Soil pH, inorganic reactions, organic matter, role of mycorrhizae, availability of nitrogen, symbiotic nitrogen fixation, microbial and plant C/N ratio, availability of phosphorus, that is amount of clay, types of clay mineral present, soil pH, organic matter. Fourth point is role of iron, factors affecting iron availability. And fifth point, manganese, factors affecting availability and symptoms. Sixth point is aluminum, aluminum speciation, soil acidification, pH, weathering of soil, human activity, low basic cations. Unit 3, exchange reactions, soil buffering and acid base equilibria. So first point is ion exchange. It comes under cation exchange capacity CEC, factors influencing CEC, exchangeable bases, base saturation, anion exchange, exchangeable anion, soil pH. Second point is soil acidity, active acidity, exchangeable acidity, total acidity. Third point, soil alkalinity, saline soil, sodic soil, saline and alkali soils, buffering capacity of soil, liming. Now unit 4, redox reactions, weathering in soil systems and soil organic matter. In that first point, oxidation reduction reactions in soil, source of electrons in soil, electron donors, electron acceptors, weathering process and soil, chemical weathering, mechanical weathering, biological weathering. Third point, soil organic matter, definition, composition of soil organic matter, sources of soil organic matter, classification of soil organic matter, importance of soil organic matter, decomposition of soil organic matter, factors affecting the rate of organic matter decomposition, disadvantages of soil organic matter, role of soil organic matter, types of organic matter, maintenance of soil organic matter. Chapter 5, Unit 5 is fate of pesticides and its biodegradation. First point, impact of pesticides. The second point, transfer process. In that, volatilization, spray drift. Third point, leaching. Fourth point, degradation of breakdown process. Microbial breakdown, chemical breakdown. Fifth point, photo degradation. Sixth point, pesticides characteristics. Seventh point, prevention. Integrated pest management, back siphoning and spill prevention, weather and irrigation plans, pesticide use and storage, dispose of pesticides and chemical waste safely, buffer zones around sensitive areas, reduce off target drift. Eighth point, biodegradation of pesticides. Degradation, criteria, strategies, various approaches, chemical reactions leading to biodegradation, advantages and disadvantages. So this is all about the course outline in 5 chapters. So these are the reference books. You can verify the books also. Complete information is provided within the short span of time. Very useful information. You can refer the different books. It is mentioned on the screen. Totally, it is around 17 reference books are given. So let us see the course summary. Entire course of 5 chapters within a span of a few slides. Let us understand the concept of soil chemistry. Very interesting topic. Soil. What is soil? Its definition. It is a mixture of organic matter, gaseous, minerals, liquids, organisms that support life. Simple definition of soil. Organic matter, gases, minerals, liquids, organisms, all will be present in the soil and supports the life from the soil. Earth's body of soil, called the pedosphere, has 4 functions. Those are medium of plant growth, source of water storage, supply purification, modifier of Earth's atmosphere as a habitat for organisms. This is about the 4 important pedosphere, which is having the functions. Solid phase of soil. What is a solid phase of soil? The solid phase of the soil consists of minerals, organic matter, various sizes around maybe greater than 2 mm diameter, and the solution phase of soil, water plus dissolved gases, minerals, organic matter. The solution may be film, capillary, gravitational form based on moisture in soil. Actually, soil is having different phases. It consisting of solution phase, solid phase, and also it has a different composition. We will discuss all in detail from the chapters slowly. Rhizosphere chemistry. It's a microbe storehouse in the soil zone surrounding the planet. Roots where the biological and chemical features of the soil are influenced by the roots. Rhizosphere chemistry plays a very important role. That is the microbe storehouse that is surrounding like a planet of roots. So the biological and chemical features are influenced by the root system. That is about the rhizosphere chemistry. And very important concept from this entire soil chemistry is mycorrhizae. And if you see this very wonderful bacteria that is helping the plants to secure the to get the sufficient nutrients and also to eliminate the metal toxicity. Mycorrhizae help the plants on other ways too. They secrete enzymes that can be break down tightly bound nutrients and make them accessible to the plant. So wonderful phenomenon is being taken place by the mycorrhizae. Breaks down the tightly bound nutrients and makes them available as an accessibility for the plant. That is the role of the mycorrhizae. And hyphae can absorb nutrients and water along their entire length, while the plant roots can only absorb through the root tips. Hyphae is connected with the roots and it helps to secure the water and the available nutrients, which is not available also. That makes hyphae works as a means of transport of arranging the nutrients from other parts of the soil. So mycorrhizae plays a wonderful role, and we'll discuss about this mycorrhizae in the second chapter. Oxidation reduction process in soil. It involves the oxygen exchanges that takes place between water and inorganic materials. Oxidation reduction also plays very important role. Exchange of oxygen exchange takes place between the inorganic materials and the water. All these things we'll discuss. And hazardous contaminants to non-hazardous compounds. This is very important. The hazardous contaminants which affects the plant can be transformed into non-hazardous compounds by means of this phenomenon of oxidation reduction that is going on in the soil. Now, soil formation, how the soil is formed, that is a wonderful mystery we can observe from these five chapters. So, soil formation is first of all rock weathers. Rock undergoes weathering process. Then plant begins to grow from the rocks that is available in the weathered form. Insects and worms starts to build up in the soil. Plants and animals undergoes decay and goes into the soil, and it forms into the humus. Humus will be formed after the decay of the plants and animals in presence of insects and worms. Finally, that humus plus weathered rock can be converted into the soil, which is the life for the growth of plants. Acidic soil, pH less than 5.5. Basic soils, pH more than 7. Sodic soils, exchangeable sodium of greater than 6% of CEC. This is about the information. Soil organic matter. How the soil organic matter is formed means plant residues, small living organisms will be persisting inside the soil, decomposing active organic matter takes place. Stable organic matter is formed called as humus. Soil nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. plays a very important role for the healthy plant growth. Iron promotes the growth and regulates the growth of the plant, and zinc production of plant hormones. Aluminum balances the pH in the soil. Coming to the cation exchange capacity CEC, it's the capacity of soil to hold exchangeable cations, calcium, magnesium, potassium that is supplied. Biodegradation, breakdown of the organic chemicals by the biological action of living organisms. Wonderful phenomenon. Pesticide biodegradation. It's a process where pesticides are transformed into benign substance which is environmentally compatible. So the pesticides which is present in the soil along with the plants is very much hazardous for the human beings. Therefore, it is converted into benign substance which is environmentally compatible. So this is about the pesticide biodegradation. This is all about the summary, core summary of soil chemistry as a outline. So in the next videos, we have the five different chapters. We can have the each chapter as two videos, maybe based on the time. You can follow the videos. Thank you.